Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will like to show you the way how you can get this information of battery level on your phone, just like what I have on my iPhone. So this is information that really matters to me because I can figure out the level of my battery and estimate when I can charge my phone. So if you want to have the same what I have here, just open your settings, and now you just need to scrolling down your options here until you got the battery. So you just need to tap on it. Now there will be two options on the top side. There will be battery percentage and low power mode. If you haven't had the information, that could be those battery percentages still off, so this is what you got. But if you want to have the number information of your battery level, you just need to tap on this button and you'll see there is the number on the battery icon. There means that this is the level of your battery that you have right now. So that's for today's tutorial. That is so simple and easy. If you're still confused, just drop the question on the comment section. If you still want to figure out some tutorials about iPhone, you can also type into the comment section. Don't forget to like into this video and subscribe into this channel and turn on the notifications so that we can meet again into other tutorials. See you for the next video.